So in this realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view townhomes for sale here on the realtor.com application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the realtor.com app. Once that is done, select an area of your choice that you're looking for townhomes in. So for example, I have Phoenix in front of me, but you can also go to the top and search whatever you want, or you can just zoom out of the map and then find a different place on the map that you're looking for. So if you wanted to go to Las Vegas, for instance, we can do just that and zoom in. So once that is done and you're looking for townhomes here, go to the top left and press on filters. Then where it says property type and any, press on that. And on the right hand side of your screen, there's a bunch of different green arrows that are checked off. Simply just go ahead and uncheck everything right here. Make sure that townhomes in this case are selected. So once that is done, press on apply. Now when you're searching for homes here, only the townhouses that are being listed will be showing up in the search and on your screen. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to view townhomes here on the realtor.com application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.